All right, attach the resistance band to something in the home. Go ahead, grab it. Stand as far back as you can so the resistance is a little stronger. Get on one leg, depending on which one we're doing in your routines. Bend forward, chest up, shoulders back and down. You want to extend your arm out, but not all the way. Slightly bent, palms facing each other. Go ahead, pull back and squeeze that upper back. Notice she's chest up, butt out, okay? She's not arched at all. She's keeping her chest up nice and strong. She's looking straight. Breathe in on the way out and blow out on the way in. Abs are nice and tight. Her leg, you can put your leg either where she has it or slightly forward. Show them slightly forward, that's perfect, but keep your foot off of the floor. Good. Keep that foot as flat as you can. Notice her knee is slightly bent. It's working as a spring, okay? If it's not bent, you're going to fall right on the floor. So keep it slightly bent, work as a spring, depending on what's going on with the set. Neck is nice and straight, wrists are straight, they're not bent moving around. Notice she's pulling in straight to her abdomen, not up to her chest or down to her hips.